Hi, it's me, Sminzy. Welcome to your own channel, Somi Crafty. Today's project is here an elegant pair of earrings, hoop earrings. You will watch today. So let's start today's tutorial. First of all, we have to make for this project, hoop earrings project, we have to make we have to prepare some pearls and seed beads with head pins, ball head pins. We have to add ball pins to pearls and seed beads, and then we will make loops, and in this way we will prepare loopy beads, loopy pearls. First of all, we have to cut ball head pins from center. We have to may cut into two pieces each wire. Now we entered one seed bead light green 11 and one pearl 3 mm light green to a wire of head pin, and now we are going to make a loop here. First of all, we will make a loop. Now in this way we have gripping in nose plier, we have make a loop, and now we have to cut extra wire. Very easy, very easy. Its loop making is not difficult because very thin wire is used, and we can easily wrap it around our bead. So in this way we have to make loops. Loop making is not difficult, very easy. Now the next process is to enter a bead, a pearl bead to an eye pin. Now entering it, we have to cut extra wire, and then we will make a loop here with nose pliers help. It's very easy to make it. Now you can see this pearl have two loops, eye pins loops, and both sides this bead has both sided loops. We will use it later. We have prepared it for hoop earrings. Now we have to enter, after we have picked a wire, thin wire of ball head pins. Now we are entering one by one 12 loopy pearls with loops. 12 pearls we have to enter in this thin wire. Keep it in mind, we have to use here a thin wire which could be easily mold and which could be easily twisted. Here we are adding special bead which have two. Now we are adding the bead. We have two-sided eye pins and then 6 beads. Total 6 beads will be added in right side of eye pinned bead and 6 in start. Eye pins beaded bead will be added in middle. Now we have to join all these beads. We have to join these wires both ends. We have to tightly twist it. We are twisting tightly to make a bunch shape. Here we will give a bunch shape to all these loopy beads, and the bead we added eye pins is also in these beads. In this way we have made a bunch. Now we are cutting extra wire here, and after cutting it, here you can see a little part of wire is here. We have to hide it. We will bring it to down between all beads center. We will hide it in this way, and in now you can see this is the on top you can see this is eye pinned bead. In this way we have completed 2 bunches of loopy beads, loopy pearls. Now the next process is to enter all these beads. Here are some light golden glass beads. These are 3 mm round beads which we will add in loop or air wire. First of all, we enter 1 golden glass bead, then we will add 1 pearl, loopy pearl, then again 1 glass bead, and then 1 loopy bead. In this way we will enter all these beads into our hoop air wire. Here we have started with 1 bead, glass bead we entered, then we add 1 loopy bead, loopy pearl, then again 1 glass bead, now 1 loopy pearl bead. In this way we have to enter 6 looped beads, looped pearls. We will enter 6. After entering 6 loopy beads we will enter 1 more glass bead, and then we will enter here bunch of loopy beads in center of our air wire. Loopy bunch will be added, and after adding our bunch, you can see on your screens we have added 6 loopy pearls, light green pearls with glass beads. After entering 6th loopy bead we will enter 1 golden glass bead, and then we enter here our bunch, beaded bunch, beaded with pearls. Now we enter 1 glass bead, now enter 1 loopy bead, loopy pearl, then 1 glass. In this way we will add 6 more loopy beads here, and at the end we will add 1 glass bead, 3 mm. And now you can see here our hoop earrings are complete. Its making is complete. Very easy process. When you will do, you will say it's not difficult but very elegant. You can make with your own choice colors, different colors. These earrings with bunch of loopy beads. Very elegant look. I hope you would like it. Very easy project, and I make with light green shade, with seed bead light color, and with seed bead with pearls light shade. You can make with different colors, white, yellow, red, whatever, different colors. You can change seed beads color with different color, and you can replace it with pearls color with different color. In this way you can make variations, you can give variations to these hoop earrings. So don't forget to subscribe your channel, Somi Crafty, your own channel. I'm waiting your subscriptions, your likes, your sharings, and your comments. I love your comments, so do comments. Now I will say bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.